Hey guys, welcome back to Rebel with a Plan. I'm so glad that you're here today. We're going to do something that is really super exciting for me, as crazy as it sounds. We are going to go through my epic sticker collection. This was the video I was most excited to do when I started my channel, and this is actually what prompted me to do a no spend on planner stuff 2020, because when you see the volume, because you can hear a number but until you see it, I don't think it really explains well the problem that I had last year and the year before. In all fairness, some of these I've had for more than a year. It's not like I bought all of these last year, but I did buy a lot of them last year, and it kind of spiraled out of control. So we're gonna jump right in, and I'm not gonna flip through every book because that would take hours, but I am gonna just go through and show you what I have and what kicked off my no planner spend year. So we're going to start with the book that started my no spend year, the travel sticker book. I am insanely fortunate to be going to Las Vegas the first weekend in February to watch the Super Bowl at the MGM Grand. I am fortunate to be able to do this because my father-in-law is actually taking me. I do not travel. I am not a traveler. I am terrified of flying. I like to stay home where all of my stuff is. So I bought this book to do one weekly spread. And I'm glad I bought it because, you know, I mean, it's super cute. But I don't need a whole book of stickers because I'm going on a trip for 4 days. So really, this is the one that kind of made me realize that maybe I do have a sticker problem. So we'll start there. And then we'll move into the non-Happy Planner sticker books. So Target added a line of planner stuff at the end of 2019, and I found these books in the dollar spot. They were $3 a piece, which is a bargain, and they're actually really cute. So we've got and I bought a lot of them. I stocked up. So we got inspirational sticker books, sticker book for wellness, which has like workout stickers and self-care stickers. So that's super cute. There were calendar stickers. So that one's not open. This one's open. So it's got like the holidays and number stickers for setting up undated calendars. So, you know, those were really cute, more inspirational. And then there was an alphabet sticker book, which, you know, like the name says, pretty much does what it says on the tin. So those were my Target steal of a deals. Tuesday Morning carries a couple different kinds of sticker books, and they're, you know, super cheap. And I think I actually may have gotten these two on a better clearance than that. But they're super cute, and honestly, I have never used, I got this one, and I got this one, and I don't know that I've used a single sticker out of either one. So again, really not necessary. And then keeping with the theme of non-Happy Planner brand, Carpe Diem had this super cute pack, and I adore these stickers. They're so cute, but they do not stick. They fall out of my planner. They're like a cardstock sticker, and they're just not very sticky. So those just, see, they don't even want to go back. So I love them, but I have to actually glue them down if I'm going to use them. And then I have my Christmas sticker collection. I believe most of these came from Michael's, and they're just super cute. I love to do Christmas layouts, and sometimes I will do them not even at Christmas, because really that's a 4-week window. And but I just love stickers. I have more sticker washi than any other washi, and I just adore it. And then here's my collection of the journaling stickers. I'm sure that if you're a happy planner, you've seen these. They flip open. So you can have like, you know, the quote, present over perfect, but inside you can open it and there's like space to write. So those are handy, just, you know, because you get to decorate your planner a lot, but then it's still functional. So that's really neat. And then we'll do my mini sticker books. So I have 2 of those. Those are like a seasonal mini sticker book. Fall, Valentine's, winter. I have 2 of those. I have just some bold and brights. Oh, I like that. I have like a Boss Babe, which I do use. And then I have like a Colorful Boxes mini. When I first started out planning, I had a big happy planner and I used the shit out of these rainbow stickers. So I have, like, that one's mostly gone, and then I have a couple more. And these are so great if you're just starting out because they're very generic. You can color code or color theme your planner. They're super cool. So I love those. But now that I have moved on to more intricate planning, I don't use them as much. Seasonal happy planner books. So naturally, I got the Christmas Joy, and these Nutcracker stickers, I just love them. I used them. Normally, you know, I tend to hoard the ones that I like. So even at the end of last year, I was making myself use things that I would normally save because honestly, what am I saving them for? So there's a seasonal. Here's a happy memory keeping. That's a big. I've got the winter, the fall, and I have the spring somewhere. I do have the spring book. I'm sure we'll come across it while we're going through. But those, you know, so fun. I love that they finally did seasonal ones that were not just holiday, because that's, you know, I like that. I like to do a fall theme that's not necessarily around Halloween, right? So I got a Supermom that I got on clearance a long time ago. Planner Basics is another one that I suggest, especially for new planners. I've used a ton of these, but they're, you know, like it says, they're planner basics. So they've got lots of functional boxes. They've got, you know, gym, shopping, binge watch, church, all the things that you might have to do, you know, all in one book. So that's handy. I've got, this is the old budget book, and I've got a couple of those, and I do still love them. I love the payday stickers because there's only one kind of payday sticker in the new budget book, and that's confusing to me because people do get paid. I have the quote book that honestly, I don't know if you can get this anymore. I haven't seen it, and I haven't seen it in so long, and I think it's the big. It is the big. But I used a ton of those. And then a color story, which is another nice generic. This one is also the big. Let's move on to the big guns. So they also released this line of massive sticker books. So I honestly, I got them on sale, of course, because I can't justify spending $50 on a sticker book. I got them, I believe they were all 60% off when I bought them. So I love these because they're another one that's just got a bunch of different things, and then the colors are kind of themed. So these are the brights. I'm not a florals person, so I don't know. Look at how cute those are. You can color them in yourself or just leave them for like a more natural look. So that's neat. I lost a light, sorry. And then some florals. The super... Sorry, I keep losing lights. My goodness, how professional. These are the awesome, super cutes, and I like them. You know, it's funny, my book was bound upside down, so all of the stickers on this side are upside down. Not that you can tell with boxes, I guess, but see, they're upside down, and this side is right side up, and that amused me. And then we've got a pastels. I promise I'm not flipping through all of these. I mean, we're 10 minutes in and I'm not even halfway through my collection. But if you've been curious about the big books, get them when they're on sale. I mean, they're worth it. There's a ton of stuff just because I haven't used it doesn't mean that it's not something that I should be using. And they're definitely, I don't believe they're worth 50, but they're totally worth 20. So if you can get them on a sale, go for it, because you will not regret it. You could do weeks and weeks worth of layouts with those stickers. Now we'll go on to my accessory books. I've got a Goal Getter, a Socialite, and a Live Creatively. And these are neat because you get Post-it notes and stickers. And obviously I've used the crap out of the Goal Getter one because I am a goal getter. And I like the pinks and the greens. The Socialites are very, very girly. So I haven't really, I don't generally do mine as girly spreads, but I will steal the crap out of any black sticker that I can find in any book because they are few and far between. And then the Live Creatively were just so pretty. I think I stole most, or not stole, they're mine, but I think I did actually use a lot of the abstract art ones because they were so pretty. These sets, which are, again, you get Post-it notes, and then these are like just snap-in cards. They snap, oops, these are snap-in cards and they snap right into your planner, and they're like just little note cards. And then you get Post-it notes and stickers. So I have 2 of the Boss Babes because I love it. I got a Planner Girl, the Basic Happy Planner, Beach Vibes, and then a journaling set, which I really like. And then we've got, let's see, we'll just run through these. Essential Planning, which is very similar to Productivity. It's got a lot of just the basic planner stuff that you would probably need to set up a layout. You could easily do a whole couple week spread with these and it would have everything you need. Colorful boxes are always a good idea. I've got a Healthy Hero and a Fitness Mini. Oh, those are both minis. Squad goals, basic stickers, which are kind of like the rainbow, but I don't know. I think rainbow came first and then they came out with these basic ones that are just colorful and usable ones. You're going to see some duplicates now because when I really like a book, I will pick up a couple, and I don't regret that. Not even a little. Not even at all. Okay, so the Free Spirit I am going to flip through real quick because I love this book. It's dark and it's got pretty greens that I like. I'm not so much for like the astrology stuff or the mandalas or dream catchers, but they've got just a lot of really nice dark stickers that are just beautiful, and I really like the sentiment to them, like mantras and free spirits and just breathe, and I do love that one. I have a couple of those because I adore them. And then they're both called Free Spirit, but this is more of a pastel Free Spirit, so it's purples and pinks, but it's got a lot of the same meditation type things. So Boss Babe and Encouragement, I also use a ton of. These are like, these are a lot of personal development type stickers, which I love. I am deep into the personal development space, and I love this book. And Boss Babe, I like any kind of Boss Babe, Goal Getter, any of those really make me happy. Here's another squad. These I got, the neon lights and the brights I got in a surprise box, so it's not anything I necessarily would have bought for myself, but I got them and, you know, just add to the collection. I've got a Wellness, another Color Story, Healthy Hero, another Colorful Boxes, a different Colorful Boxes, 1 Productivity, 2 Productivity, another Essential Planning. I have 2 Simply Lovelies, which are, I like these because there's a lot of black in them. Another Color Story, another Color Story, another Color Story, and another Color Story. We're not done. See, this is what I meant by, I'm sorry, I'm shaking the camera. I have a sticker problem. So, those are the stickers that pretty much like stay in storage boxes under my desk, because I keep my very favorite books in a tote right next to my desk so that I have instant access to them when I am setting up my planners. And some of them you've seen in the boxes, and I have duplicates because they're my favorite, like the Boss Babe and the essential planning and the productivity and another productivity and the old budget and also the new budget. This tiny I got in the winter surprise box from Happy Planner, and I love it. I had never seen this before, but I know that it's not new. But it's got so many awesome stickers in here. I legitimately do not know why it is called tiny. If any of you know why it is called tiny, please let me know. None of these stickers are tiny. Look at that. Little boozy stickers, weather stickers, little emojis. How cute are these planners? I love that book. I also picked up the Digital Detox when it came out with the new launch that had, I think it had a recipe one, it had the new budget one, and I don't ever really plan on digital detoxing because I'm a pretty big fan of my phone and my laptop, but these books right here, these books are worth the price of this sticker book because I love them. And then I have an encouragement, which is another very personal development book, and a goals, because I'm a very goal-driven person. I have my another Boss Babe. I love the Boss Babe ones, and if they would just put those out, I would buy every single one, regardless of any promises made. Here's another Free Spirit, another Mini Fitness, and then I have like they come out with these, well, they used to, I don't think they do anymore, but they have these super thin books that are cheaper, and I don't necessarily care for them because they've got the glossy and they're really hard to write on without smearing. And then I keep a Planner Basics with me all the time, a Wellness, another Healthy Hero, the Household, which has a lot of like cleaning stuff and meal planning, and there's some budgets, there's like bill due, there's some budget stuff in there. I've got the Colorful Shapes, which are fun, just extra, you know, colorful boxes. I have colorful boxes. I have another winter book because it is winter. And then I have my habit tracking, like accessory book that's got the stickers and the Post-its and the cards. So that, my friends, is my ridiculous sticker collection, and they live by my desk. And my goal this year, of course, is to use up a ton of these and not buy anything new. I hope you have enjoyed this video, and you know, give me a like. Go ahead and subscribe if you want to see more of my stuff, and click that notification bell so that you know when I have new videos coming out. I love you guys. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I'll see you later. Bye.